Hello student, in this video we will discuss question number 5 of exercise 1.3. Your question is, state with reason whether the following functions have inverse. You have 3 questions here. The first function f is from 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes to 10 with f is equal to ordered pair 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10 and 4, 10. Similarly, you have 2 more questions. First, we will discuss about question number 1. So, you see in your case, the function is defined by, the function is from 1 to 3, 4, it goes to 10, right? And here, f contains the ordered pair 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10 and 4, 10. It means what? The image of 1 is 10, the image of 2 is 10, image of 3 is 10, again the image of 4 is also 10. Or you may say like this also, f of 1 is equal to 10, f of 2 is equal to 10, similarly the others. Now you see, since f of 1 is equal to 10 and also f of 2 is equal to 10, that means more than 2 element has the same image. Is the function 1, 1? Obviously not. So, to be an inverse function, I hope you remember, what is the condition an inverse function satisfy? Yes, it must be 1, 1 and on 2. So, in this case, we have seen it that the function is not 1, 1. That means it is many 1. So, if it is many 1, no need to check out on 2 or not. So, you can say that the function is not invertible. That means inverse does not exist. So, I have written the solution like this. First, you write down the given function and how it is defined. Then I have written here, since it is not, so it is sufficient to give an example. So, we have written here from the given definition of f. We see that f is a many 1 function. Why? Because f of 1, f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, all this goes to 10. Hence, f is not 1, 1. Hence, f inverse does not exist. I hope you understand it. Let us go to question number 2. Here you see z is a function from 5, 6, 7, 8 and it goes to 1, 2, 3, 4. How it is defined? Let us say 5 goes to 4, 6 goes to 3, 7 goes to 4, 8 goes to 2. So, as the earlier case you can verify the question, or otherwise drawing the Venn diagram also we can verify. This is a finite set. So, drawing the Venn diagram also we can check it whether z is 1, 1 or not. Okay, or 1, 1 or not, or many 1 or not. That we can drawing Venn diagram also we can say in case of finite set. So, here you see f of 5 goes to 4. So, sorry, z of 5 is equal to 4 and also z of 7 is also equal to 4. That means 2 elements 5 and 7 has the same image. So, the function is again not 1, 1, that is many 1. And many 1 means what? It is not invertible. So, let us see how. So, first I am writing the given function and it is defined like this. So, again you write down, give the example. Why? From the given definition of z, it is seen that z is many 1. Why? Z of 5 is equal to, z of 7 is equal to 4. But 5 is not equal to 7. So, z is not 1, 1. And since z is not 1, 1, so z is not invertible and hence what? Z inverse does not exist. Okay, let us go to now question number 3. H is a function from 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes to 7, 9, 11 and 13. And it is defined by 2, 7, 3, 9, 4, 11 and 5, 13. That means 2 goes to 7, 3 goes to 9, 4 goes to 11 and 5 goes to 13. So, here you see every element, every distinct element. 2 has this image 7, 3 has a different image 9, 4 is related to 11. So, 4 has the image 11 and 5, the image of 5 is equal to what? 13. So, distinct element has distinct images. Is not it? Therefore, the function is what? 1, 1. And if it is 1, 1, we have to go for onto also. And we see that the set codomain and the range contain what? 7, 9, 11, 13. 7, 9, 11, 13. That means all the elements of the codomain has pre-image. So, the function is onto also. Let us see. Here you see I am writing the given function. It is defined like this. We see that all distinct elements of 2, 3, 4, 5 has distinct images under the function h. Therefore, the function is 1, 1. Also, h is onto since every element in y, that is what? 7, 9, 11 and 13. Okay, every element y of the set this, there exists an element x in the set of, in the domain such that h(x) equal to y. So h is 1, 1 and on 2. Here we can give the conclusion h is on 2. Since h is 1, 1 and on 2, hence the function h is what? Inverse. Invertible. That means inverse exists. This completes the solution of this question number, I hope, question number 5. Thank you.